given the following functions as graphs, we're going to try to determine if they are functions or not. I should say, given the following graphs, try to determine if they represent functions or not. So a function has to have a unique output for every single input. So you are not allowed to have the same x coordinate yielding different y coordinates. In a graphical sense, this is equivalent to what we sometimes refer to as the vertical line test. Because if every x has to have a distinct y, that means that you cannot have x comma, x comma 1 and x comma 2 or x comma 3 and x comma 5. The x coordinates can never be the same. And that's equivalent to saying that no vertical line, which is the x equals equations, ever hits the graph more than once. So we just need to find just one place. If we can find one place where a graph has a vertical line that hits it twice, that is automatically not a function. Not just twice, any more than once. So looking at our first picture, notice that this vertical line drawn in right here hits the graph in two distinct places. No, this one is not a function. On the second example, if we were to draw in a bunch of vertical lines, you might notice that every vertical line only seems to hit this graph once. So this one is a function. This one's a yes. And the last example, every vertical line you try to hit right in here or draw in here is going to either hit, let's see, those ones hit once, but sometimes you get lines that don't even hit at all. So the point is that you never get a line that hits more than once. So this one would be a yes. Okay? Any one vertical line hits more than once, not a function, otherwise you are. So try this set of 3 problems on your own. And assuming you've given it a good shot here, is the first one a function? Look, vertical line, hit twice. This one is a no. Even though there are some places where you can draw in vertical lines that hit no times or one time, if there's even one place where it hits more than once, not a function. Second one, is that one a yes or a no? Whoops! That vertical line seems to have hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. This one's definitely not a function. But notice it only didn't have to, if it had only hit twice, it still would not be a function. But this one's kind of super not a function. It hit 6 times. How about this last one? The last one here is a piecewise function, and any vertical line over here on the left is going to only hit once. On the right, it's only going to hit once. But then there's that sneaky point right in between. Let's see what happens in there. Well, that sneaky part in between also only hits once, because technically the closed dot, it hits, but the open dot, you don't hit. So since every vertical line only hit at most once, that last picture over there is yes, it is a function.